boat work done anytime soon.
Evacuate now. That from emergency officials in Newaygo County to those who live and work in the floodplain on the Muskegon River below the Croton Dam.
We were incredibly fortunate to avoid the worst of the flooding. Sadly, not everyone was so lucky. But the rain slowed us down. It limited how much work we could get done outside, so we shifted gears and focused on other projects, like checking in on the sails.
We were able to pull your sails out today. The main looks pretty good, just needs some minor tweaks here and there. The jib looks really good, but the Genoa needs a new UV cover.
Eventually, the weather gave us a break, and we were able to get back at it with a full day of sanding. Ready to get to work?
Sure.
So sanding round 2 today. We're gonna get through a lot more because we actually have the appropriate amount of sanders and shop packs, hopefully. We brought the generator just in case. Last time we kept blowing the breaker at the marina because the power wasn't quite good enough to support what we were trying to do. So we'll see if today is any better.
See if we can find more outlets.
Yeah, hopefully. Because we have a really good weather window today, so we really want to take advantage. We don't get too many of these. Tomorrow is going to be warm, but it's going to rain. It's going to start raining tomorrow and rain for pretty much like the next week and a half. So today's it. That's what we got. Hey, look, no more stealing ladders. So I thought of a way to keep this interesting and keep us positive. So every time one of us complains, the other person gets to draw something on our bunny suit.
Could be bad for you because I don't usually complain.
We'll see who wins. And their marina's kind of full today, so this will be fun. So you have to walk around with whatever's written on your suit all day. So, challenge accepted?
Yep.
So, in the spirit of fairness, I was the first one to bitch and complain today. So, Mike gets to write whatever he wants on my bunny suit. Nothing too crude and inappropriate. My parents are on their way up with new supplies for us. So, here's that. Can I peek? What are you writing? Is that mean?
No.
Is that mean? Here. Are you all set, Luna? too cold to work outside, and I heard about this really cool place on the Great Lakes Sailing Facebook group. So we drove to Benton Harbor to check it out. I'm going to let Mike give you the full tour.
If you've ever worked on an older boat, you know the struggle. Finding parts that actually fit, tools that aren't overpriced, and gear that doesn't require 3 weeks of online hunting. This place solves all of that in one stop. Wolf Spring is one of those shops where you just walk in thinking you just need one thing, and suddenly you're surrounded by everything you didn't know you needed. From rigging, hardware, plumbing, fittings, electrical components, to safety gear and maintenance supplies, it's all here. For anyone refitting, maintaining, or slowly bringing an older sailboat back to life, places like this are invaluable. It's not just a store, it's a resource. A place where problem solving starts the moment you walk through the door. And it's only an hour and a half from our house. So let's take a walk through and see what we can find.
Electrical panels. No way. Tools.
They're all brown. Look at this. This is like $15. Probably not very heavy.
It might be bigger than what we need.
Just a little bit.
A little bit.
It doesn't come on a spool anymore. Lots of boat repair stuff, including balsa wood and teak. All kinds of teak fittings, look like they're practically brand new, in addition to a lot of pulls from older boats.
Yeah, I really like that. hate car shopping, but dinghy shopping is fun. This is great.
So what do you think?
That's great. I love this place.
Yeah?
This place is like heaven. Boater heaven. Who knew? There's not anything like this by us or anywhere else, he said. Look, it's like
Not
the
in
biggest
Michigan,
one
yeah.
West Michigan. Yeah, Wolf's Marine.